Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. This is Mark's mom.
Are you still baby?
That's my auntie Christine.
Yeah.
That's my auntie Nancy. Karen.
Oh, okay. Karen.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome.
Back to our channel.
It is Saturday.
I want to do it.
Okay, what day is it today?
No, I already know and I couldn't do it anymore.
Okay, what day is it today, Paris? Just pretend I didn't say it.
Okay.
What day is it today? You didn't even remember.
Can you please tell
Come
me?
here, Ling.
Can you please tell me?
Ah!
Saturday.
Saturday. Ang aga pa. Anong oras ba ngayon? Sa mga 9 o'clock pa ngayon. And we are getting ready kasi pupunta tayo kina... Where are we going?
To our gardens.
Huh? Where?
To our gardens.
It's tatay. Uy.
Tatay.
Awat-awat siya sa ako, guys. Tito kasi yung tawag ko kay Tito.
Tatay at Gordon's house.
That's right. So, pupunta kami kina Tito Edgar this morning kasi sa Pasko, doon daw kami magtitipon-tipon sa kanila. So, today ay come here, Daddy. Mag-meeting daw kami kung sino ang magluluto nito, sino ang gagawa niyan, ganyan, para ano ba? Organize ang aming Pasko. Good morning.
Dada.
We're twins.
Tingnan niyo ang kanilang suot. Meaning sa... Okay. Show Tito.
What's the sound of the cat?
We're twins.
And sa kanya ay white. Isasama namin ng mama and daddy Mac kasi alangan naman iwan namin siya dito. And this is going to be really exciting kasi first time na mamimit ng pamilya ko yung mama ni Daddy Mike. So, you know, it's a big thing, especially sa ating mga Pinoy, di ba, yung meeting each side. So,
Kita a kiss?
yeah, dalhin namin kayo. And also, it's the first time na nag-vlog ako after na nagpakulay ako ng buhok. So, ito na yung resulta niya. Naliguan na yan. So, ganyan ang kanyang kulay. Kinulot ko lang para bago naman ang mukha.
Ma.
Pero hindi ako nagpa-haircut. So, ganyan pa rin. Mahaba pa rin ang aking.
And do you know what?
Sleeves double.
Shirt is similar to mine because I got the same pattern.
The same pattern, is it?
Yep. See, I'm a bear.
There.
It's similar.
Say meow.
What's the sound of the cat?
Meow.
Alam, kita niya sa kamera. Agoy, ginoo ko.
Well,
Tanga kaya.
I have a bone too.
Ay, tanga kaya ron maratag ba? Ano yan? Do you need the pump? Put her down. There you go. Spray tayo. Oh, no, shoes, Daddy. Daddy! Okay. Got the house key, Daddy? Wow, kinanyan ko lang kanyang hair, oh.
Well, I have
Batang-bata.
a kid.
Baby naman, eh. Nagdalag. Silupin, what's inside your plastic bag, anak?
Heavy stuff.
Tingnan nyo, ang kanyang laruan ay dala niya. Alam niya naman,
I bring my crown too.
kita niya ang kanyang tita at saka tito ay gusto niyang maglaro. Celine. There, oh. Bob, roll up her sleeves, Bob. Roll up her sleeves. Just put this in the car. The car looks clean on the outside, oh, kasi ano kami kahapon. Pero, ang loob, ganun pa rin ang loob. Ayan na. Ayan ang kanyang mama. Ha? Nag-drive-thru kami, guys. McDonald's. Bili-bili din ng kape. Hindi pa nakapagkape sila.
We'll get something after tonight on the way home.
Oh?
We'll go to Nala and get some Lebanese food. Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. Which one is this? Is mom? Here you go, mom.
A few moments later.
Stop.
How are you? Good. Up. Na excited mo ng baby.
I didn't chicken.
That's my cousin AJ, mom. This is
Nice to meet you. I'm EJ.
Ate Mike's Kuya Mike's mom. Come this way, anak. Let's go.
I can open the boot.
Hey, good morning. Wow, Celine's sweet. She was a good girl.
Open the boot.
What's this one, Daddy? Bean? Daddy, bean?
Open.
Huh?
Bean?
Bin.
Congratulations.
Wow, yeah. Graduated. Yeah.
Now.
Hello.
Hang on, I'll just get my bag.
Oh, is it here, Mom?
Yeah.
Ah.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Careful, there's car coming. Ala. Tanning. Oh, kainit. Ay,
You hit it there.
kisa naman na diha.
Ayun na sila. Dito.
Kamera ulah eh.
Garante.
So many cars, Mom. Because that's my tito and my uncle and my cousin, the mechanics.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Last time I saw her,
Kami.
wasn't that grand.
Kami. Nala, naman din ang gwapo dili oh.
We're playing a funny game.
Hello.
I haven't seen you in ages.
Come here, Mom. That's Jethro, my uncle's friend. This is Mike's mom.
I'm Karen. Nice to meet you.
Mike's mom.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I'm Karen.
I'm Joy.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Wow, nice to meet you. Finally. This is Mike's mom. That's my auntie Christine.
Yeah.
That's my auntie Nancy. Karen.
Oh, okay, Karen. We think you're out before what's the name?
Magkuwatag bangko.
Ay, sa diya sa kong vlog. Nasa mo.
Ay, vlog! Hello, my vlog.
Hello, Hadlaw. Family. Na, uy, Sir Bliss na lang. Nawa na si Rin, hadlok na.
Mike,
Oh, Tita Elizabeth.
Yeah, I'll come over. I just want to get this one nice and settled.
Yeah, she's scared.
Yeah, how are you?
How are you, Joy? That's good. Yeah, good.
Yeah, you're walking around now on it. Yeah, you're good. What does it do?
Hello, Celine.
Yes, she's scared.
Hey, how are you?
Cute.
Hi, Didi.
Hadlok man. I think yes. Ang hadlok nga bata.
Oh, wow.
Cowgirl.
For you, because who's the one who Princess you gave it to you? So, another one.
Oh, wow. Another one.
Your donation.
What do you say?
Yay.
Thank you, Nanay.
Open that.
Wow. Open.
You can drink.
I will take this out for now.
Okay, open what's inside the bag. Oh, it's so Marlon.
Whoa.
Oh, that's cute. Look, it's a dress. It's a dress. Oh, what's the other one? What's the other one? Okay, we're not looking at you, Celine. Oh,
Oh.
wow.
I bring
That
a
is so
crown.
cute. What do you say, Paris? Oh. Thank you, Tita. Is this from you, Tita? Tita Christine?
Put it
is
on,
this
put
from
it
you?
on. Paris, put it on.
Thank you. Not yet. She'll get there. There, now have a look at her body. We are doing our plannings now, guys. Sinong magdadala ng ano. So,
Smile. Yo, I can drink tandoy. I have tandoy. Yes.
meron na silang Christmas tree.
Yes.
Christmas na. Darado ko rin sa spaghetti tsaka sa
It's up like beer or
I'll bring some to alcohol because
I have some cup of the whiskey or what.
I'm drinking water.
I'm doing first the tandoy because
He's the baker of the biko. Ay, ba't dami kayong biko? Wapa kayo yung luto.
Everybody, welcome to my vlog. It's me again, and it's her again. It's me and Joanne.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're not on a boat this time.
We're discussing Christmas,
so
and this is Paris, my baby. I'm kidding. Say hi.
That's our camera.
That is your camera. We're saying hi to everybody.
You don't take a photo with me.
Magbunod-bunod ka, pero ka magsaba. Secret Santa man. So, they must understand that Celine is a little girl, so of course they have to buy something for her. So, join
so just adult or
Children, for example, mabunutan nila si Celine, palitan nila for
Something
intended
for the
for Celine nga
yes.
50 amount.
So 50 is
Yes. Okay.
Wala pa snack.
Asa ba yung bangko, Joy?
Justin,
Pagsingit niya.
Well, we can do the draw after, like around
Now, you
or
can
do we
write
do
it down
the
there.
Finish na natin, Joanne. Like one thing at a time.
Okay.
Because they go with chocolate everywhere. And Andy's would not.
So Mino is already done. The fruits, grapes,
Yes.
Tita, magsinigaw ka!
Melon, grape.
Sinigaw?
Ayaw na siya.
So let's talk about dessert.
So I'll make mini cheesecakes and I'll make a Brazilian pudding and Joy's making mango float and I don't know what else. What else should we make?
Uy, Maha Blanca.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Baja Blanca.
Say hi! Say hi! Say hi!
Hello.
Hi, Tita! Dili ko.
Let's have a tea. Cheers.
Just let me know, right? Just text me. But enjoy the
So what else?
Biko.
Kami para ilukot.
Bye.
Ano? Miss you, Doctor.
Okay?
Okay.
Hi. Are you resting? Celine. Paris has got her friend now.
1, 2, 3.
So you have your dream come true, Dai.
Joe.
Here you go.
I'm gonna win. 1,
Where's Mary?
2, 3.
Yeah.
Two times. Oh, now.
Saba ka sila guys. Saba kayo. Saba ang mga tao.
My king. Oh, wait.
Who's here? Who's here? Nga naman ka.
$50 or as close as possible. Obviously, when you draw out just one name and you do not read it out because it's Secret Santa for a reason. So let's try to keep it as secret as possible. Obviously, you can get help from other people to get gifts, but try to keep it as confidential as possible. We'll try not to, spread word that someone's getting a gift from someone. So,
Copy. Noted. Thank you. Noted. Thank you. Ayan, mag-exchange gift kami sa Christmas guys. Magbunot na kami. Yeah. Thank you lang. Thank you very much. Here's the die. I'll do 3. I'll do the 3, yeah. Abracadabra.
Wait, guys, I'm not cheating, but look.
Okay, I got it.
Thanks, baby.
Be?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Got that one. Tatlo yung binunot ko guys. Kaya for Celine and ayan. Kay Paris. Last one. I've got it already.
Here's mine.
Huh?
Here's mine.
Who's yours?
Charlton.
Huh?
Charlton.
Maybe it's just Charles. That's your husband.
You think so?
That works. Yeah, we have to probably have to ask.
I think I know this.
Yeah. I've got 3. Here. Daddy, you wanna have a look? What we got? The 3. It's alright, just ask anyways.
Guess what? Daddy, I'll be first.
Daddy, did you return it? Why?
I don't want to get you because it's like I'm gonna get you something anyway for me. It's better to not get each other, right? But,
Bobby will be like, the 50
you
should
know
be
what I
like
said?
5,000.
No, what if I'm like, what can I get you for $50? You wouldn't wipe your ass for 50. I don't know any of these people.
Really?
What was this first one?
What was it? I think that's just.
Huh?
Where's yours?
I gave it to mine.
Happy birthday to you. Carrie, you want to swap?
Should I say a quick prayer for the food?
Amen.
Yeah. Oh. Give it to Mama this one. There you go. So thank you, Lola.
One spoon, yeah.
Thank you, Lola. Ate, have some chicken. Dali, give her chicken, look.
Spicy.
She won't feel it.
This one's spicy. It's literally, this one's spicy.
Baby?
It's like literally spicy.
We're going, guys. Say bye-bye to Tita. Titas and Titos. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na, everyone. See? Bye-bye na, nanay. Bye-bye. Alis na kami, guys. Uwi-uwi na ang everyone. We're in, Inala Market.
Japan. Or shopping centers, you know, or cycles.
Which one, ma'am? Ah, yeah. They smell, yeah. Pasok mga suki. Oh, it's so hot. Gusto ni Daddy Mike kumain sa Vietnamese. Yeah. Is it the same place you want to go, Daddy? The same as last time?
Yeah, this is the one that this is the one we used to go to.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think this is the one. But it has the same shop. Actually, this is the one.
This is the one. This is the
And
one.
this is the one we used to go to.
Got meat. Have a look at this. Like meat shop next to the jewelry shop.
Oh, yeah.
You right, lah? You wanna eat? No? Are you not hungry? You didn't eat a lot. Have a look. They've got nangka anak. Oh, they got jackfruit. Look, jackfruit. It's yum. That is, I think that's bingala, cassava.
Can I touch this?
Yeah.
Oh, honey.
Gentle. This way. Lini girl. Ling Ling, Daddy. Very comfortable there. Bam bam bam. Oh, dito na kami. Guys, ang sakit-sakit ng aking lips, guys. Meron kasi akong mouth-ulcer ba? Diyan, sobrang sakit niya. Diyan kami pupunta. That's sugar cane. Bamboo ka karon? Sugar cane.
This way.
Baby girl, follow daddy na. Follow daddy. It's sugar cane, sweetie. Go, daddy. Sugar cane. It's the same thing, honey.
Why is it longer?
They crush it and get juice from it. Go, go. This way, Alang. This way. Follow, daddy.
Bye-bye.
It's now 5:20 ng hapon. Kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay, guys. Kinakain ko lang yung binili kong halo-halo doon sa Inala. Kasi nag-melt na siya. Kasi half hour yung drive, diba? Pero tingnan nyo, sobrang dami niyang, guys. Ang tawag dyan, ingredients. Ito ang tunay na halo-halo. What's up? Hindi ako makakain ng bonggang-bongga kasi nga ang sakit pa dito. Yung aking cold sore. Hap-hap. Yan yung ginagawa. Guys, yung pinag-usapan namin kanina, yung plano-plano, kung sino ngayon magluluto nito, magdadala ng ganyan. So, yung sa akin ay spaghetti. Tapos, soft drinks. Tapos, mangoes for fruit. And then, kay Daddy Mike is salads. Yung mga vegetable salads. Ganun kay Daddy Mike. Sa 24 ng hapon, nandun na kami. Organized na yung lahat. And then we'll have, you know, parang i-welcome namin yung Christmas together. Sabi ni Tito Edgar, magawa daw siya ng may tent daw sa labas. So, lahat merong mga tent sa labas ng bahay nila. But kami, kasi alam niyo naman, may mga kids, doon kami sa loob. Sa mga kwarto nila doon. Knock, knock! Ay! Tapos, maggagawa din daw ng program, yung parang may pa-games, yung mga ganun. So, it's going to be really fun. Kasi parang first time ko na nag-celebrate ng Christmas na, kasama ko yung family ko dito. And then, after that, we have to be, alam niyo naman na uuwi tayo soon. So, exciting. Sobrang daming ganap. At kung napansin nyo, or hindi nyo napansin, na hindi tayo nagsuot ng glasses today because I'm wearing contact lenses. Ayan. Sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakapagsuot ng contact lens, guys. Kasi, yung binibilhan ko ng contact lens ko sa Melbourne lang. Tapos, normally, pumupunta talaga ako sa shop talaga nila to look at the colors and all. But then, last week or 2 weeks ago, naisipan ko magsuot ulit ako ng contact lens kasi may yung may mga okasyon na darating na at ayokong mag-glasses. So, maganda kapag mag-contact lens ba. So, yun, dalawa yung binili ko na monthly. So, ayoko ng yearly kasi, oh, be careful, anak! It feels na yung yearly is thicker at hindi siya masyadong komportable sa mata ko. So, I only get the monthly. So, kahit na ilang beses ko siyang suotin, naman. Dungdung? Is okay lang. Basta 1 month yung niya yung. So, this is EOS ata yung brand dito. And it's in sandy brown. At yung power ng aking mata ay -3. Both eyes. Daddy? Daddy? Hello.
No.
Is it Daddy? Daddy. You know where she was staying, Bob, the whole time? Yeah.
What?
I don't know. She was just like laying there.
Karo Daddy? Karo Daddy? Karo?
Aww. Mama. Sleepy ka?
Is that it? Ma? Is that it? No.
No. Tingnan niyo ang suot ni Ate Baris. Bigay ng kanyang Nanay Christine. What do you say to Nanay Christine?
Thank you.
Medyo malaki pa sa kanya eh. Alam niyo ba, ang ating isang bata ay nandito. Tingnan niyo. Hala! Ito ang malita ng kanyang lola. Sa ibabaw niyan yung mga sapatos ng kanyang lola. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Baby girl. Hey! What do you think you're doing there? Shh! Mama na, nangibot na. What's that? Is that your wallet?
I'm ready to dance.
Why? Nakurat. Nakurat eh. Lanak, uy, calm down na ka lang. You'll break Lola's bag.
It's not bad.
It is.
It isn't. It's okay.
Suitcase, sorry.
Why can't Celine stand on it?
Because she's light now. She's not as heavy as you.
But I want it to be
Okay, you go down now. You go down. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. I see you looking at my PIC. Ding 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 na na. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom out. Lulul. Oi. Oi.
Are you kissing me?
Look. Hilay lang. Hilay lang. Kado.